All right, everyone. I am hooking up the boat for what will probably be the last hog hunting trip of the season. I'm going to meet a friend. His name's Kannon. I'm gonna go meet him down there, and we're gonna see if we can't get on some of these pigs again for you guys. But yeah, it's 7 o'clock in the morning, March 14th. It's been raining a lot here lately. We had a little bit of break in the rain for this weekend. This is Saturday morning. We've got a little bit of break in the rain here, and it's just real windy, which could be bad, but maybe they'll be bedded down in the same spots that we found them in the last time, and it won't be that bad. I can sleep in there and let Kannon get on one. So hey guys, hope you guys stick around, check this out, and we'll see y'all out there. Alright guys, got my buddy Kannon here. He's in the boat. We headed on down the river. Got a couple spots in mind, gonna try out. Nice and cool this morning. We're gonna see if we can't get on a couple. Kannon, you know what? Forgot to put my rope back in there.
We'll pull it up on the back a little bit.
Yeah, just pull it up there. Hang on, I'll raise this motor. Check it out, guys. Looks like somebody else is scoping this area out as well. Alright, so first stop. Haven't seen a whole lot of sign. The water's dropped a lot. I think that the pigs are down in the lower areas. We came and checked this first high spot first, but I think they're gonna be in the lower areas. So we're gonna go check this other spot where I think's gonna be a lot better. It's a lot swampier. See what it looks like over there. They've been wallowing right there.
Yeah, let's go check it out.
So I just spotted. They've been wallowing right there. Can you really see right there? Looks like a trail right through here, actually.
Yeah.
Hell. Which way you want to go? Well, we can either go along this way, kind of make a big circle, or we can go this way. Alright guys, we're fixing to put our first stalk on. We got them, they're right over here. We got Kannon up. Cannon's gonna be the shooter. We're gonna see if we can't stalk up on them. Kannon. Yeah, get him on down. In the head. Kannon, over here. Over here, Kannon.
Smoked him.
Got him.
There's some babies up there if you want to get after them.
Good shooting, Kannon. That's two.
Two down.
Hey.
Let's go, baby. Run over here and see if we can get
Hey, they're coming right towards us, I think. Here they are.
What?
They're coming right towards us, right there.
Can you get some babies?
See if you see a big one.
Try to catch one?
If you want to.
Here's the first one we took down.
First one. What is it, a little sow?
A little sow.
First one.
Let's get up here and find another one. Here we go.
Straight to right there, isn't it?
I thought it was
Over there. That it ran over there? Oh damn, we took a long shot.
He's right behind the tree. Headshot.
Yeah. I seen the water blow off of him.
There he is.
There he is right there.
A little bit bigger fish.
Smoked him. Or her, whatever it is.
Take that one down.
That was a good shot right there. That's a long ways.
Behind the jaw.
Right behind the jaw, he said. Yep, sure is. Headshot.
Get a little sow.
Another little sow.
A little, probably 60, 80 pound shoat.
What do you think about that, Kenny?
Right on, boy. I got out there. I seen him. I went to shaking. I really kicked in. We got the job done, though.
That's right. Good shooting, buddy. All right, we're going to get them drug out of here, guys. Look here, guys. We're standing here talking. And the babies are still roaming around. They're really not even babies. They're big enough. Good little smoker pig. Kenny's wanting to shoot one. Where'd they go, Kenny?
Right here.
Get one?
Yeah.
That's number 3 for Kannon.
Huh?
That's number 3 for Kannon.
Number 3 down. Time to pack them out. There we go. One down.
So what we're doing now is we decided to drag them to the nearest spot on the river because we're, I don't know, how far you think, Kannon, from the boat?
A half mile anyway.
About a half a mile from the boat, so we're going to drag them to the river and then we're going to go on down to the boat and drive the boat around and pick them up. So, but yeah, we're you don't realize how out of shape you are till you start dragging animals out of the woods, that's for sure.
Don't. I hit the gym.
And I ran off and forgot the dadgum game cart this morning. It never even crossed my mind, so we're just dragging the old-fashioned way. All right, we'll see y'all when we get to the boat. All right, we got the pigs. We've got the pigs to the riverbank, and we're walking back to fetch the boat. How we fixing to get out of here?
Be out before 10:30.
Be out before 10:30. Alright. Hang on, Kannon. Yeah, you got it. Alright, let's go get these pigs. careful, it's gonna be slick.
Yeah.
I'm gonna hold it on the bike for you.
It's go time.
That was easy. Get off. That's it. There we go. Guys, so got everything all loaded up. Kannon coming around with the look at that crazy sucker. There goes Kannon in front of me. I guess I was driving too slow. Well, anyway, we got the boat loaded up. Pigs are all, well, they're field dressed anyway. But I'm gonna get to the house, throw a little ice on these guys. Cannon's got something he's got to do in town for a couple hours. I'm gonna throw some ice on these pigs and get them quartered up when he gets back to help. So hey guys, I hope you enjoy these videos. We sure have a blast making them out here in these river bottoms and taking these hogs. We have a lot of fun doing it. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, like the video, and stay with us. Like I said, there's fixing to be a lot of catfishing coming up. It's right up on us. I'm going to Arkansas in about a month turkey hunting, so I'll have a little bit of that on the channel. But we got some hand fishing coming up. There's going to be a lot of cool stuff on this channel. So if you guys like what you're seeing so far, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and hope you guys enjoy it as much as we enjoy doing it. All right, guys, love y'all. We're out.